This is a long vowel sound. It's pronounced R. Now you try. Repeat after me. R. R. Now here are some words which have this sound. Father. Start. Hard. Now you try. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Father. Start. Hard. Good.
Minimal pairs A. 2A.
Cap, carp. Hat, heart. Cat, cart. Ban, barn. Pack, park.
Two B.
Carp, cap, cap, carp, carp.
Hat, heart, heart. Hat, heart.
Cat, cat, cart, cart, cat.
Barn, ban, barn, barn. Ban.
Pack, 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 park, park.
Two C.
What a lovely cap. What a lovely carp. He touched his hat. He touched his heart. It's a farm cat. It's a farm cart. There's a ban on it. There's a barn on it. I'll pack the car. I'll park the car.
2D.
What a lovely carp.
There's a ban on it.
He touched his hat.
It's a farm cart.
I'll pack the car.
Three B. At a party.
What a marvellous party this is! I'm having so much fun, Margaret.
Where's your glass, Alana?
Oh, here you are. Thanks, that's enough.
Alana, Margaret, come into the garden. Tara Darling and Marcus Marsh are dancing on the grass.
In the dark?
They're dancing under the stars.
Fantastic! And Bart Jackson is playing his guitar.
Just look at Tara. She can't dance, but she looks very smart.
Look at Marcus. What a fabulous dancer.
What an attractive couple they are. Let's take a photograph of them.